Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have two things. One which is a green screen, another one which is a ring light. So we are gonna unbox it very soon. So I bought these to improve my video quality first thing, and the green screen I'm gonna put it back here. The green screen helps for people who don't have good background like me. You can see. So we are gonna quickly unbox. So let's get started. Firstly, we have this green screen. The link where I bought this in Flipkart, so I'm gonna paste that link in the description, so you can go check it out. So you can see that this is the green screen. So this is the green screen, guys. I took it from here. I didn't open it till now, so let's open it. It comes in blue color bag. This is an 8 into 12 feet green screen. So you can see this is the green screen. The one tip I would like to give if you are going to buy a green screen is you should have a perfect lighting. For you to have a perfect lighting, you should need a green ring light or any light. You should just be facing it. So this is the green screen over here. You can see it's very big, guys. It's very big over here. You can see very big. So for those who all don't know what is green screen, I'm gonna say is green screen. It's a cloth, or you can see this, where you can remove the background from the behind. You have to place the green screen behind you, so you can remove the background. Then you can change the background to anything. Okay. So now you saw the example. So you can change the background of the green screen to anything, and even you can use it by streaming. So if you are buying green screen, you need a green screen stand. For a green screen stand, it like takes like 2000 rupees. For those who don't, who can't afford paying 2000 rupees for buying a stand, I am making a video how to make green screen dye green screen stand at home. So if you want to know, just subscribe, put the notification bell to all. So I'm gonna upload that video as soon after I upload this video, so then you will know how to make a dye green screen stand. Okay, so we have unboxed the green screen. This green screen took something around 500 rupees for me. So now we are gonna unbox our green light. Okay, so green light, it took me 800 rupees for this green light. 800 or 7, I don't remember. So I'm gonna paste the link where I bought this ring light in the description again. So you can see that I am opening this ring light. Where you can see this is the box. You can see this green ring light comes with two colors. One is pink and black. So and it okay. I'm gonna say that afterwards. Yeah, this is the green screen, guys. Ring light, I mean, sorry. You can see you have wires over here, and you have a mobile stand, so you can just face it over here. So and you can keep your phone here. No risk, guys. I have tested it, so no risk. You can put your phone, trust it. So I'm gonna this thing, it comes with USB port, so you can put it in your mobile charger, laptop, power bank, anything. I'm quickly gonna connect it to my laptop. Okay, as you can see now. I'm sorry if you can't see it properly, but these are the colors. Okay, first over here you come with a remote something. Over here you have power button, brightness increase and decrease, and changing the color. So first we are gonna on the green light, where you can see this. Okay, I'm gonna, yeah, see, it comes with three different colors. One is yellow and light yellow, another one, and another one is white. So this is the green screen, and green ring light comes up with a stand. Totally it only takes 800 rupees. You can see this is the stand. We are going to open the stand quickly, and another time you have to remove it. Let's see, this is the ring light stand. So first we have to remove it. Okay, we have to do it like this. You can see the stand is also very big. It can come up to 5 feet or 6 feet. I don't remember. It comes 5 feet. Just a second, I will quickly open it.
Afterwards, yeah.
Over here you can see like this. I can also make it small or big according to me. You can, okay, you can see this. This is the ring light. Okay. So ring light stand, we can fix the ring light in the ring light stand over here. You can see. I'm gonna quickly fix it. Yep. So now I have fixed the ring light in the ring light stand. You can see over here. You can trust it. It won't fall. It's for now. I just kept it small, just to show you guys. Yep. So this is the unboxing of green screen and ring light. I'm gonna again now you can see. Okay. Now I'm gonna on the green light. This is the color one, which is like yellowish white. Color two, full yellowish orange. Then this is the color three, white. So now I'm gonna place it behind the camera so that you can see how much it increased the lighting and the quality of the video. Yes, so guys, the ring light is behind me. I mean, in front of me, so behind the camera. Now you can see I off the ring light. Now on. You can see the color difference, the brightness difference, the quality difference. This totally increases the quality, and you also need a ring light compulsory for if you buy a green screen. So now we are gonna test. We have tested the ring light already. We are gonna test the green screen now quickly. Then we are gonna come back. So guys, now I have the green screen behind me. It covers the full screen, as you can see. The full screen is covered by the green screen. So now I'm gonna show you how it works. So I'm here, and behind me is the green screen. But I'm gonna tap my finger and I'm here. So again I'm gonna tap my finger. I'm here. So with this, we can change the background of where we are. So here you go. And if you have a green screen, you should have a ring light. You should have a perfect lighting. See, now I have no lighting. You can see even my quality is gone, my video quality. But now I'm gonna on my ring light. You can see the quality. It's better than before. So I think these both is must if you have a YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to buy the same products which I have bought from Flipkart, you can go to in the description and click the link below. So you can go to the page I have bought and you can buy it. Totally, I think it costed more than 1,500. So it's pretty affordable, and it's best for YouTubers, for beginners like me and you, if you are a beginner. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. Next video will be how to make a green screen stand, in-home dye green screen stand with only pipes. It's not going to cost more. You don't have to pay 2,000 rupees for buying green screen stand. Instead, you can make it in home. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram and also join my Discord server. So, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned.